Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. Apple, we will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, been doing this one on a very routine basis, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming into play. And I bring that up just because those levels certainly played a role in today's price movement, and they're going to play a role moving forward. So update, I don't know is really the right word for this, especially if you watch past videos. Confirmation would probably be the most accurate word, because that's exactly what we got. We got two big bits of confirmation. The first bit of confirmation is that this area that I talked about previously as, more than likely probably acting as resistance, definitely a level of resistance. You can see that this morning. That is right where the price got rejected. And then on the flip side of things, the level that I talked about is probably acting as support, and I mapped it out with that green line right there. You can see, well, yeah, definitely acted as support. So like I said, if you watched past videos, then neither of these levels are new to you. So that's not really anything, that's been updated. But the point here being is that you definitely got confirmation that there are definitely going to be very, important levels going forward. So this 110.25-ish mark going to be, the key level resistance that lots and lots of breakout players will be watching, meaning while nothing is guaranteed to happen, it's a more than valid and rational thought to have that if the price were to work its way up here and get a break of that, the break of that in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that is certainly a more than valid, a more than a worthwhile area to be watching. On the flip side of things, though, if the price comes down here to right around the 107, let me make sure 107.50 area, and then breaks down through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So call these self-fulfilling prophecies, call them whatever you want. But the point here being is, especially after today's price, we went with, all this confirming and confirmation that occurred, a lot more eyeballs have now noticed these levels, and they'll be paying very, very closely attention to them. So the week is young, still 4 days left, but let's see how the price behaves relative to these couple of pricing levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.